What's up, people? Smitty at the shop again. 2019 Nissan Rogue. We got a hatch out of whack here. Somebody was doing pull-ups on it or something. Somebody tried to shut it manually. It happens. You know, no judgment here. I've been known to yank on a hatch or two in my day. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to recalibrate this thing. So if you're getting something like this, sorry, I got interrupted by the phone. Where was I? Yes. You're going to open the hatch and it's going to be out of calibration. So it's going to look a little something like this. And that's obviously you're going to bang your head on that. So you can see by the side, clearly it's not open high enough. You know, sometimes these hatches will fully open and then they'll bounce back down again, you know, 6 or 8 or 10 inches. So here's what you have to do. You can manually just bring your hatch up to the position you want it at. You see now, much higher. We can get our melon under there now. And you're going to come around to this switch here. Press and hold it. 2 long beeps. I will typically press that button and leave it held in for about 10 seconds. That's the way the older ones work. The newer ones are a little bit confusing to me, but I just instinctively hold it in there for the full 10 seconds or so. And then you're going to release that. And then you're going to go ahead and close your hatch. So again, hold the button, 2 beeps, 10 seconds. Then when you come back here and open your hatch up, you'll see it'll do a little something like this. And it's going to bring it back to that height that you originally set it at. Pretty simple. Sometimes it will take more than one time to do it. I don't know why. Depends on how finicky your Rogue is. But this Rogue was pretty straightforward. This is a 2019. And again, this is how you recalibrate or reset your hatch opening. And there you go. And that's my tip for today. Smitty, out.